In the heart of the tumultuous 18th century, a man of vision and ambition took the reins of France, transforming the course of history. His name was Napoleon Bonaparte, a military genius who sought to expand the reach of the French Empire beyond the confines of Europe. The year was 1798, and Napoleon, Consul of the First French Republic, embarked on a daring expedition to conquer Egypt, a land shrouded in antiquity and mystery. The French army, a force of 38,000 men, set sail from Toulon, bound for the shores of the Nile, their spirits soaring with dreams of discovery and conquest. As the French fleet navigated the treacherous waters of the Mediterranean, Napoleon, a student of history, was consumed by the potential of Egypt. He envisioned a new era, where knowledge and enlightenment would flourish under the banner of the French Republic. Upon reaching the shores of Egypt, Napoleon's army marched triumphantly, their steps echoing in the desert sands. They encountered the Mamluks, the ruling military class of Egypt, who, despite initial resistance, were no match for Napoleon's tactical prowess. In a swift and decisive battle, the French army secured control of Alexandria. However, the conquest of Egypt was not without its challenges. The desert heat, the unfamiliar terrain, and the relentless mosquitoes took their toll on the French army. Disease spread, and Napoleon's soldiers began to fall, their numbers dwindling with each passing day. In the midst of these struggles, Napoleon pressed on, determined to fulfill his ambition. He commissioned scholars to explore the ancient wonders of Egypt, and engineers to build a modern infrastructure for the new French-controlled Egypt. The Great Pyramids, long forgotten, were rediscovered, and the city of Cairo began to transform under Napoleon's vision. Yet, the French occupation of Egypt was not to last. Britain, alarmed by Napoleon's growing power, dispatched a fleet to oust the French. In 1801, a decisive battle was fought at the Battle of Aboukir. The British Navy, commanded by Sir Ralph Abercrombie, dealt a crushing blow to the French forces. The defeat in Egypt marked a turning point in Napoleon's career. His dreams of expanding the French Empire beyond Europe were shattered, and his reputation tarnished. The Egyptian campaign, though initially successful, ultimately proved costly, both in terms of lives lost and resources expended. Napoleon's Egyptian campaign stands as a testament to his ambition and vision. Despite its ultimately tragic end, the expedition brought renewed interest in the ancient wonders of Egypt and marked a significant chapter in the history of France and the world. The echoes of Napoleon's footsteps, though faded, still resonate in the sands of time, a reminder of the man who dared to challenge the status quo and shape the course of history.